Hey guys, welcome to the video. So today we'll be doing a 2010 Chevy Malibu. It's actually a car of my good friend. He dropped it off today and I'll just be doing the interior, and be sure to stick to the end of the video to get the owner's reaction.
So a little background about the vehicle. My friend has had it for about 2 years, and he told me his best memory of it was driving around the beach with it one morning. So what I'm using right now is the Drill Brush Automotive Soft White Drill Brush. I use it to mainly agitate the stains that are stuck to the carpet, get them out so I can vacuum them easier, and I'm using it attached to my DeWalt drill. All due respect to my friend, this was the dirtiest car actually detailed. There was trash everywhere, there was water bottles under the seats, and I even found some sunglasses, which I'm assuming were from his drive during the beach, and yeah. This car was actually one of the cars that took me the longest to clean. I started around 11 o'clock in the morning and I finished around 5 in the afternoon, so 6 hours to get the car nice and clean. So what I'm using right now is the Chemical Guys carpet cleaner, and I gotta say, it smells amazing. Not only that, it does great work on seats, gets all the stains out, and I can't recommend it anymore. So what I'm using right now is the Bissell portable carpet cleaner. I'm using it to extract all the dirt and soap and water that's in the seat. It gets all those farts and coffee stains and anything else you can imagine out of the seats. It leaves them nice and clean, and it's a great tool overall. If anyone wants to detail their own cars and get the items I have all items listed in the description below. I use Amazon to order everything, mainly because it's easy, ships fast, and it's very convenient for me. driver's seat floor was disgusting. But with a little help of Chemical Guy's carpet cleaner, I managed to get all those stains and all that muck right out. As always, I'm trying to improve my videos every single time I make them, so if you guys have any suggestions as what I should do to make them better, for example, talk less, talk more, change up the songs, please just let me know, leave a comment down below, anything helps. As much as I love my drill brush, treating these seats are the biggest pain. They take a long time to dry, and I always try to make sure to do these first, especially the driver's side, because I don't want to return an owner's car with a wet seat. Finally get to the bane of my existence, the mat of the driver's side. This thing was horrendous. I had to spray this twice, drill it twice, and I think it came out pretty good, but this was a lot of work, especially just for one mat. As always, thanks guys for watching, and if you're interested in me cleaning your car, please feel free to reach out to me. I'm more than happy to do it, especially if it's my friend or someone you know who needs their car cleaning. Just let them know. And I am saving the best for last, the McCulloch Steam Cleaner. I use it to clean the vents and get the dirt off the plastic, and sometimes there's little stains, especially with the cup holders. That does amazing work with it, but you have to be careful with it because trying to tackle one spot too much could melt the plastic. To finish it off, let's see the final results.
Alright. Go on.
Go on. Okay. That's already looked a lot better, I can tell you that. Oh my god. Dang. This actually looks fantastic. Wow. I can already see like from like on the doors and stuff, there was like a bunch of dirt and stuff on the doors and it's not there anymore. I noticed like on the sides and stuff, all the coffee stains gone off the car seat. I don't even know if it was coffee, but there was a stain there. But yeah, it definitely looks a lot different.